My name is Justin Steinke. I'm the Senior Vice President of Commercial Business at Sprite. Sprite is a commercial UAS operator, both here in the US and internationally. We use a variety of different drone platforms to execute our business operations. We use everything from small drones up to much larger aircraft that are coming out in the next couple of years. We've selected a number of partners like Elsight to help supply a lot of the subsystems for these aircraft and to make sure that we've got mature solutions that we're using across the board. The Elsight team and the Halo have been very easy for us to work with, both from a configuration and architecture standpoint, as well as an implementation standpoint of being able to get the aircraft put into service and tested and evaluated and making sure that that system is functioning correctly. We've been using the Halo now for about a year and a half, and we're very, very happy with it. The Halo provides a level of maturity and consistency between the products that's very important to our business. We use the Halo in all of the aircraft as a standard piece of component, mainly because it provides us a level of solution both from the cellular networks and the redundancy of those, as well as the fallback to something like a SATCOM in the case that we don't have LTE where we're operating from. Our selection of the Halo was really because it was a robust and mature solution that allowed us to feel confident that putting all this stuff together would work. We put the Halos in all the ground vehicles to make sure that that data is actually being transmitted through and back to the cloud. If you can imagine operating in a lot of really remote places where connectivity isn't great, you need multiple networks and you need the ability to switch between those networks. And we're using a lot of bandwidth when we're pushing high quality images through that system. So having the Halo gives us a level of redundancy, and it gives us a system on multiple networks to be able to complete that mission for our customers. The game changer feature of the Halo for us is really the ability to manage the data. I think the other thing that's been really fascinating is the ability for us to actually fly a route and capture information on what networks are available and where they're available and what the strength of that network is. One of the things that I like the most about the Halo really is the team of people that support it. So, the hardware and the software are really second to none. We've seen no other solution that really has all of the pieces and components that the Halo does. But each aircraft so far has been very different. And so being able to integrate this in a way that it's effective and the architecture makes sense is a very complex problem to solve. And the Elsight team has been absolutely fantastic in making sure that we've got the right support needed to not only integrate this on the aircraft, but if we ever have any issues or concerns, they're right there to help us fix those in real time.